Okay, so I've been trying for a few days to get this video uploaded, and I'm trying to get better at how I video out in Tennessee on the property, but I am so excited to share this with you because today you get to see my building. I love this property, but with nothing on it and nothing to stand and nothing to do on it besides clean shrub. It was a little distressing for me, so this is where my savings went, and it was worth every penny. Okay, here we are. So I was expecting it to kind of come out already kind of pre-made. There's my gravel pit back there. I think you can see that. They're unloading. So I'm going to come around this way. And a big truck for all of this. Thank you. Big truck for all of this in parts and pieces. Look at this. They have to assemble it here on spot. This is crazy. That's a lot of work. A lot. I've come to the conclusion the best way to share is for me to just shut up and we watch. Alright guys, that's it. Not much at all to show. Just a building, but to me it is a start to something new, and it is so exciting. So thank you for coming along with me on this journey. I hope you stick with me. And until next time, be happy, be healthy, be safe.